Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to delete chat after viewing in Snapchat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are friendly to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Snapchat. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on chat. And the next thing you need to do is to select a contact. So I'm going to select this contact right here. And it take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on their username. And the next thing you need to do is to click on this three dots from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to click on chat and notification settings. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on delete chats. Then right here, next thing you need to do is to click on after viewing. It's as simple as that. So each time you are reading chat from this particular contact, immediately you feel the chat is deleted without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.